Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Cybernet. This guide will help you to install Ubuntu OS on your computer. Before you do anything, you need to download Ubuntu. First, go to Ubuntu official site and download latest Ubuntu LTS version. Ubuntu recommended system requirements is 2 GHz dual-core processor, or better, 4 GB RAM, 25 GB free hard disk space. After you download Ubuntu, you need to create a live USB of Ubuntu. For that, you can use the Rufus tool. Go to Rufus official site and download Rufus. If you need Rufus portable version, you can download it. After you download Rufus tool, open it. And plug your pen drive and make it bootable drive using Rufus. Use this bootable pen drive and boot your computer. If you're using virtual mashing, you can use ISO file without bootable USB drive. Select your language and click Install Ubuntu. Next, you can select your keyboard layout, then click Continue. After that, you can select installation type and can select Update and third-party software, driver selection, then click Continue. This menu you can create a partitions yourself, or you can select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu Tick to auto-create a partitions. After selection, click Install Now button, then click Continue. Next, select your region, then click Continue. After that, fill this your details. And type strong password. Then click Continue. Now installing Ubuntu to your computer. After installation process is completed, click Restart button and unplug your bootable pen drive.